witnesses. I guess that makes it easier.
Who gave them this?
Well, it's a present from me and Chris.
My mum's got one like this. How much did it cost? Was it?
Yeah. Tell your mum to dig hers out and take it down the Antiques Roadshow.
Yeah, I might just do that. What's the end of it?
How much did it cost?
Linda, what's wrong? Nothing, I think. Susie's just feeling a bit off. I'd leave it to it.
Is she all right?
Yeah, and I will go over there. Frank, they're ready to start serving as soon as Zoe gives the nod.
Ah, let's get the old time. I don't know you, Emma, but I think a toast is in order. Is that the done thing for ceremony like this? Well, I haven't searched it before. Well, it is now. Fill your glasses, everyone, please. Where is Zoe? Where's Emma, for that matter?
I was just upset, that's all. Lucy was just offering shoulder to cry on.
Why should you be upset?
Emotional, then.
You said upset. What's there to be upset about? Well, you've just made a serious commitment to each other. You should be on cloud 9. Lay off her, will you? Who asked you? I'm just saying there's no need to talk to Zoe like that. And I'm just wondering what the hell it's got to do with you anyway, Susie. And how come Zoe's so upset in the first place? Look, people are going to be wondering what he's got to. Can we just go inside, please?
It's something and nothing. Just forget it.
It's never something and nothing where she's concerned. When she decides to mix it, she does it good stuff. Oh, here we go.
There you are. Everybody's wondering where you got to.
Whatever she's been saying, don't believe a word.
Zoe, your dad's inside. He's wanting to make a toast.
I'm sorry, nobody's going anywhere until I find out what's going on here.
Not Linda, I exaggerate. She was right about you. You wouldn't let it drop, would you? Well, I hope you're happy, because you made a fool out of all these people. You've turned this blessing into a right farce. I thought you had more sense.
10 minutes, she said. That was nearly half an hour since an hour without my...
You well have to.
Come on, I deserve better than this, Zoe. Biff and Linda seem to have more idea what's going on. If you cut the amateur dramatics, someone might tell you. That's rich coming from you. Little Miss Hopeless, no job, no money, no girlfriend, so you think you'll take mine? Zoe's got a mind of her own. Don't blame me if you don't know her well enough.
Leave it, Susie.
No, she needs to be told. Zoe's been half-hearted about this blessing for weeks. Anyone else would suss it out, but no. You're too desperate to get settled in some twee little domestic. You forced her to go through